here once again. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing jumbo box braids. Now, it has been a while since I've done braids, since I've done braiding tutorials, so I'm probably a little rusty, but we're gonna see how I do, and I'm going to take you guys through the steps. So just in case you are trying to do box braids, jumbo box braids, knotless, well, this is not gonna be knotless because I still don't know how to kind of do that just yet, but I want to show you guys step by step how I do it, just in case you're interested in doing your own. It's been years since I got box braids professionally done. I used to go to a place at Security Mall in Baltimore, and I think that was the last time I got box braids, but I haven't done my own. I don't even know if I've ever done my own. IDK. About to do my own right here, right now, so don't y'all judge me if I do it wrong. Let's see how I do. So without any further ado, let's get it. But before I start, if you aren't subscribed, what are you waiting for, girl? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell twice so you're notified every time I post a video. So as you guys can see, my hair is nice and freshly washed, deep conditioned, and I also put some leave-in in my hair. I'm gonna try to do at least maybe 20. I don't know, we'll just have to see how I do my hair. So I have all my supplies right here in this bag. So I have 10 packs of Kanukulon. Y'all know I can't say that word. I have 10 packs of Kanukulon hair, and I got it in, I have two different colors. So I have 1 and 1B. They only had a little bit of 1 and a little bit of 1B. So I just took all the black that I could find at Sally's. So I just took all of them, and I got 10 packs. So I am going to do the Rubberband Method. So I got the super stretch rubber bands because I use rubber bands on Maddie's hair as well. So I just got enough for me to do her hair, which I'm going to be doing another tutorial on her hair coming soon. And then I have jam right here. This is the extra hold. So man, it's been a while since I've used jam too. So let's just go ahead and hop right into it. All right, so first I'm going to part my hair. I'm going to be looking in my mirror too, just to make sure that I am parting right and it doesn't look crazy. All right, so let me look in the mirror, make sure I'm parting my hair right. If I'm looking down, that's what I'm doing right now. It may not be perfect, but I mean, as long as it's somewhat straight for the most part, then that's all I am concerned about. All right, let's see if my hair is long enough to get clipped here. Oh. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put my rubber bands all through my hair. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I said I was gonna do 20 and I got 20. So we're gonna go ahead and start the braiding process. But why do I look like a black Cynthia doll? Y'all remember Cynthia from Rugrats? Just the way my hair is parted, you know how like her hair stands out like that. But And my hair, yeah, I can't believe my hair has grown so much. Oh my goodness. And it's just so thick and full. You can see a little curls. Y'all see the curls in that though? Look at that little girl. I've seen mixed reviews on this hair from Sally Beauty. Yeah, so it's not super full. I mean, heck, this is like, I mean, if you're going for like super jumbo braid, like, I mean, this is like one braid right here. But so since I have 20 parts of my hair, I'm just going to split each braid or each pack into 2 and then just use each one. Just use each one of it here. So I'm just going to make sure they're even. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to pay attention because y'all saw how puffy my ends were, so I don't want that to stick through the braid. So that's what I'm trying to look through to make sure that it does not puff through. There we go. Kind of see it right there, so we're gonna have to do something about that. Hold on. Because I don't like that. Just so that way it doesn't loosen until I get a chance to dip in hot water. I'm just gonna put rubber bands at the end. I might just, I don't know, depending on how it looks, because more than likely I'm just gonna wear it up most of the time. I'm just wear it up in a ponytail for the most part, but I don't want it to loosen while I'm braiding my hair. So just for the time being, I'm going to just put rubber bands on the shirt so that way it stays, and then when I dip it in the hot water, and I'll take it out. Woo! I say my people, oh, I'm a true African braider, huh? Eh? Not even close, but isn't that good though? So far, that is starting to look good. So I have these 2 more here. It just took me, I don't even know what time is it, like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours to do all of this so far. So I have these 2 left to do. Then gotta gel these edges down. I might dip it in hot water and keep the rubber bands. I don't know. All right, so just so that way I don't have to do a voiceover, I'm going to break it down for you guys one more time with these last braids. And yeah, and then explain it. This is my last pack of hair. Like, this is my last pack right here. So I just split the pack into two, and I just want to make sure that it's thick enough where it's, you know, fine and everything. So because I don't know if you guys, when you see hair like this, it's like even, just to make the ends easier for you when it comes to braiding and leaving it there, just stretch out the ends to make it kind of uneven, but don't like stretch it out where it's like half is down here and some's up there. Just try to stretch it out where it's just not in line with each other. But gonna go ahead and we're gonna split this into two. So fold it over just like that, so like the middles meet each other, and then cross it over. And then I just like to go over the ends one more time before braiding it in the hair. But since my ends are really puffy, and like I said earlier, I don't want my hair to stick through the braids, I'm just going to kind of slick it down just a little bit, slick down the edges, I mean the ends, excuse me, and then go ahead and braid these bad boys in. So like I say, it's hard to explain how to braid, so I'm going to try to do my best to break it down for y'all. So what I'm gonna do is split my hair into two, make sure that the rubber band is still on there tight, and then I'm just gonna grab it like that. Say this is not a knotless, so I have knots at the top of my hair. When I learn how to do the knotless braiding, then I'll come back and do a video showing you guys how to do it. I mean, does it look complicated? Okay, so I'm still braiding my hair in, I'm still adding gel to hide it in or to blend it in, so that way it's not sticking through the braid. Down to the end where you can't do it anymore, then you just stop, and then grab a rubber band here, said just going to add some extra gel. You know what I could have used? I could have used some mousse. I should have brought my mousse up here to help moisture it a little bit, but it's okay. Gel really kicked in. So all right, now this is a little too big. So what I suggest, as far as like how much hair to use for each braid, look at your plait and I guess kind of determine how much you need to cover your braid like that. Because in the end of the day, especially with short hair like I have, you want to make sure that it blends in as much as possible with the braids, because like I said, you don't want it to like stick through, or if it gets like super hot and it starts to stick through, because I think one braid back here it's sticking through, but that's because the plait is big, and it's just it's hard to explain. Plait itself is big, so that's why it's puffing out just like that, but it's all good. am going to just go through and just cut the ends. Okay, so I think I might end up dipping it in hot water just to kind of help with these frizzies, to lay them down some more. So that is it. My hair is done. So it took me a total of like 2.5 hours to do the whole thing. So about almost 3 hours to do the whole thing, you know, parting it, putting the rubber bands. That took me like about 30 minutes to do, and then the braiding, that took about like 2.5 hours. So yeah, about 3 hours. So yeah, and I am loving it. These are the biggest box braids I've ever had, and I absolutely love it. I do plan on showing you guys how I style it, because I remember, did I do a video on styling my box braids when I had it? I can't remember, it's been so long ago. But I love styling braids, so I want to do a video on how to style braids, style your box braids. I guess I could do a video on how to maintain them, because I plan on keeping them in for like 2-3 weeks or so, maybe a month, depending on how my real hair does. I'll probably keep it in for like at least a month, but y'all know how I do. I switch my hair up like every week. It depends on the week how I feel when I, you know, change my hair. And yeah, and then I also have some more braiding videos to do with Maddie, so stay tuned for that. Like, it's just a hot braiding summer, okay? I just braided Maddie's hair, now I braided my hair, so we're just gonna be doing a whole bunch of braids around Chimp, okay? So I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? Be honest, how did I do? Let me know down below. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you are planning to do them for yourself, let me know down below as well. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let's make this video go viral so we can show everybody that they can do box braids from the comfort of your own home. We all quarantine, we all stuck at home, can't, unless you have a petition that you go to get your box braids done. I don't right now, so I had to do it myself. So if you're in that same predicament, this tutorial is for you as well. So feel free to share it, tell everybody about it, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.